I'm making a croissant. Okay. I'm making a croissant. Okay. So don't let me forget it. Today I'm gonna make a video. Oh no. But yeah, we are gonna make a video today. Don't look at my nose. I see you. Don't do it. Okay, you see my nose contour? You see my nose contour? Yeah? It's like this TikTok trend where if you like suck in your tongue, it makes your throat look less fat. Okay, I need to go check out my croissant. Croissant, okay? I baked it in the oven. I love croissants because it's like butter. It's like eating butter. It's just an excuse to eat butter, honestly. So today, anyway, we're going to make a balloon, okay? That's why you're here, to make a balloon. So, right here, this. You're gonna need this, okay? No water balloons. We don't want none of that. This. This is what you want. And a croissant. Okay. Listen. You take your balloon and you go like this. Put your mouth on it. You're gonna want to create a suction with your mouth so it's completely covered by the balloon. So you can do that. You're going to blow it up, right? Alright, now that's not hard. That's the easy part. Now the second part is the hard part, and you're going to want to go like this. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah. You just gotta try not to freak out. You gotta try to just stay calm. Okay, that's the most important part of this process. Here we go. We got a balloon. Make sure your lipstick is done before you do the balloon, because otherwise it's not gonna look that cute. You want it to cover every section of your lip. And honestly,
this one might be a one.
that's cute. That's cute. I got some incense. Make sure you have some incense on in the background.
Just a little bit fast. Maybe.
Does it look like I'm looking into the camera? Because I'm not. Okay. You're going to want to hold the balloon like this. Okay, because you want to look cool, okay, while you do it to all your friends. So you have to be different and unusual and unique. So you're going to hold your balloon like I swear to God. Or, alternatively, you can hold it in your pinky. So, we're going to do that. And then you're going to stuck it, okay? Oh. That's a little... Sorry. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry.
Okay. God. Okay, that was loud. Sorry. Anyway. Is it getting hot in here? Is it getting hot? Oh my God. My neck is prickling. Do you ever like get sore and it's like, oh my God. Is that meningitis? You know what I mean? Like, is that, am I pregnant? You know, like, you know what I mean? Like, you just, I think it's called catastrophizing. I think it's called catastrophizing. 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 It's catastrophizing. I know this word. I don't know why. I think I'm having a stroke. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. I won't forget a word. I'll start. The problem is if you pronounce it wrong the first time, then your brain gets confused. And it's like, at least that's what happens to me. But that's just because me and my brain have a very unique relationship with each other, okay? We like to play. We like to play. I forgot what I was talking about. Catastrophizing. God. What is that word? Catastrophizing?
What?
I just like completely f***ed up my brain on this word.
What?
Catastrophizing.
That's not a word.
What word am I talking about though? When you overthink things and you think that's gonna be way worse than it is and you're Catastrophizing?
Overanalyzing?
No, catastrophizing.
You're thinking of catastrophe?
Catastrophe.
Oh.
Catastrophizing. Catastrophe.
A catastrophe?
No, what's the verb? What's the verb? Catastrophizing. God. 1 second, I need to look this up.
Oh, you know the verb
Catastrophizing. 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 That is the word.
Catastrophizing?
Oh my god, catastrophizing. Why does it not sound like a word when I say it? Okay. Anyway, on to the next thing. So we've got this balloon here. As you can see, it's got a little dimple.
In the right spot, you know? I was just like, okay.
Well, don't think that'd be a good thumbnail.
Oh, I missed. Okay, I see.
So, as a famous godlike YouTuber, I must instruct you on the art of blowing things, namely balloons. Okay. We want to create wind here. That's the goal. So, that's not wind. That's not wind. Wind comes from in your stomach. Okay? Comes from your stomach. That is where we're going to be blowing from. Okay? That's where we're going to be doing it today. So, like this. Then, in your stomach, you're going to blow from back here. From back in your stomach. Not here. You don't blow from your mouth. You don't use your mouth wind. You use your stomach wind. Okay? Stomach wind. Stomach wind. God. God. Okay. God. Okay. Whatever. God.
Nice.
And with that, we go like this. You gotta take a breath sometimes. Look, it takes up the whole. Ooh. Oh my god, if you talk at it, it's like. If you talk at it, it makes like an echoing sound. I don't know if you can tell.
I guess I'll just ask.
Kiss it, kiss it. Kiss it. What is that white? My essence. I hear that if you put a piece of yourself in between two paper towels, you can capture your essence. Anyway, after you've blown the balloon, make sure you don't have asthma because sometimes it can cause you to not breathe great and that is not okay. So anyway, just make sure you know yourself or whatever. You take your balloon that you've just blown up. Why does the camera make you look weird sometimes? Like it makes you look craggly. I know I don't look that craggly in person. Christ, honestly. That's something you should know. If you're a young person watching this video, when you take pictures of yourself and videos, and even when you look in the mirror, it's not like any one view of yourself is not gonna be accurate or whatever. Cause like it's just, especially cameras, like it like distorts your face, and also the lighting is weird. Like it's better to ask others, but not the internet, because the internet likes to pull shenanigans. In fact, you'll never have an unbiased knowledge of that. And you just have to accept that. It's just one of the things that you can't control. Just like your eventual demise. It's so hard to point right in the middle of the camera.
What are you doing?
Anyway, oh, I forgot. I gotta show you this part. So you go like this. And then you just twist it around your fingers like that.
I think. Yeah.
So it's like this. So I'll show you that faster, slower. Take 2 fingers, and I like doing 2 because then you have this little space here in between your fingers where you can tie it. Like, I'll show you. So, put it like this. Oh my god. Put the balloon like this on your fingers. Like so. Then, wrap it around.
Alright.
Okay. Wrap it around. And then you try to put it underneath your finger. So you go below or above. I don't think it matters, but you go below. What I'm doing. And then you scoop this finger underneath here. And then push that into there. See? You see?
Oh wow. Very fast.
You see how that is?
I was not expecting it.
Well, it just went underneath of there. Just a quick tie. And that's how it's done. And I'm not going to tie mine because I might have to refilm this. I've been filming for a while. Okay. Sayonara.